Good evening, everyone. Today I am speaking about global warming. Global warming literally means the rise in Earth's temperature. Glo- Global warming is caused by human efforts such as burning of fossil fuels, greenhouse greenhouse effect, etc. ठीक है. अब तीसरा, इफेक्ट्स ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग ऑन अर्थ आर फर्स्ट environmental pollution, second ozone layer depletion, solution to remove global warming are minimum usage of fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, etc. Second, usage of electric vehicles or solar vehicles. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. Today I am going to be speaking about global warming, its effects, causes and ways to reduce global warming. Number one, global warming simply means, in simple word, means the warming up of the globe. It basically means the rise in temperature of the globe, which due to a lot of natural and both man-made practices. Now, the causes of global warming is, the primary cause of global warming is greenhouse gas effect. The greenhouse gas effect, which is the rise in the concentration of the greenhouse gases such as CO2, SO2, CO, etc. This rise in the greenhouse gases results in the rising up of the temperature of the earth. One primary example of the rise in greenhouse gases, of the result of the rise in greenhouse gases, is the depletion of the ozone layer, which has led a huge hole over Antarctica. The greenhouse gas is also very necessary for the earth, as the primary objective of the greenhouse gases is to keep the earth warm by trapping all the radiation, trapping a lot of heat inside it. But since the rise in greenhouse gases, a lot more heat energy is being trapped inside the Earth's atmosphere, which was originally meant to be discharged into the space. Second, now another reason for the global warming is overpopulation. The Earth's population is increasing day by day, which has resulted in the use of a lot more natural resources, which in turn produces all the harmful gases, which also leads to global warming. Another one can be deforestation. Trees are one of the most vital natural resources present on Earth. But since due to the increasing population, people are in a requirement of a lot more land, a lot more forests and trees are being cut down. This is also resulting in global warming. Second, the effects of global warming are the rise in the average sea level. Average sea level is increasing day by day. So this is the average sea level is increasing at an alarming rate. This is very important to notice, as some of the coastal countries like Maldives, or islands like Maldives, or countries like Bangladesh, Egypt, Fiji, these are very close to the water and have a huge chance of being underwater in the next few years if we do not pay attention towards global warming. Second one is the melting of glaciers. Due to the rise in the average temperature of the earth, it has resulted in the melting of a lot of glaciers and icebergs in Antarctica, and all the polar regions, which has furthermore resulted in the increase in average sea and ocean levels. Third effect of global warming is the rising temperature of the earth and the depletion of the ozone layer. Now, because of the depletion of the ozone layer, the harmful radiations like ultraviolet radiations are able to enter the earth, which cause very fatal problems like skin cancer. Some of the methods to take a control on another effect of global warming is desertification. It is an effect which is oftenly neglected, but desertification is the drying up of the land, which results in the land being a lot less productive for farming and agriculture, and in turn leads the land to be basically of no use. So now some of the ways to control the global warming is: number one, planting a lot more trees, which takes up the harmful gases takes up the greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and gives us the oxygen. Now another way to control the global warming is by using public transport. Public transport is very essential, as a lot of people can travel in it, and thus minimizing the pollutants which are being expelled by the cars and vehicles. Third one can be the use of e-vehicles such as e-rickshaw and all. The Tesla company has also designed a lot of electronic cars, and they are constantly working on it to make it as affordable as possible and as convenient and efficient as possible. Another way of taking control on global warming is to minimizing the burning of fossil fuels. By burning fossil fuel, it reduces the harmful gases, which gives result to greenhouse gas effect, and in turn leads to global warming. Thus, we have to minimize global warming as much as possible, or the doomsday is very near. Thank you.
I am going to tell you about global warming. Global warming is global warming
कॉपी लेके आए हो
है नहीं
और लेके आओ तब तक सुबह हम
ठीक।
Good evening everyone. Today I am going to tell you about what is global warming, what are the causes of global warming, what are the effects of global warming and how to prevent it. So what is global warming? Global warming is a sudden increase in the global temperature of the earth. Over past 50 years the global temperature has risen on its fastest rate. A study told that the 16 hottest years have been observed since 2000, according to the report of NASA in its 134 years of experience, and as it is recorded in the history. What are the causes of global warming? The main cause of the global warming is the spreading of more CO2 and other air pollutants. CO2 and chlorofluorocarbon and other greenhouse gases makes up a layer in the atmosphere which traps up the sun heat and solar radiation, which were before bounced back to the space, but now due to this the temperature of the earth is increasing. The effects second main cause of global warming is deforestation. Deforestation is the cutting down of trees, and due to this the carbon dioxide could not be used up by the trees. What are the effects of global warming? There are many effects of global warming. First, the rise of the sea level. Due to the increase in temperature, the glaciers are melting, and this is leading to the increase in the sea level. Second, and due to the increase in sea level, flooding risks have been increased. Third, and due to global warming, crop production is very less. And fourth, as temperature has increased, the water temperature is also increasing, and due to this, several aquatic animals are dying. Thousands of aquatic animals are dying every year. And global warming also increases the chance of allergies like asthma, etc. How to prevent global warming? First, recycle. Second, refusing the more packaged products. Third, planting trees, as planting trees could take up tons of carbon dioxide and convert it into oxygen. Or fourth, using compact fluorescent lamp instead of bulbs, as bulbs increases the temperature. Or fifth, thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to speak about global warming. Global warming is a human-caused rise in the Earth's temperature. Its major aspect is changing of climate. Causes of global warming are: first, by burning fossil fuels. Second, deforestation. It is the major cause for global warming. Third, poultry farming is also a cause, as the waste which animals produce gives a lot of methane, which makes a lot of heat and make holes in the ozone layer. Some prevention for global warming are: first, by recycling more things. Second, not buying products which have a lot of packaging. Third, by planting trees and saplings. Fourth, by adjusting your thermostat. Thermostat means a machine which heats things by a switch. Fifth, not using hot water. Thank you. I am going to tell you about global warming. Global warming is number of effects on the ocean. There is more carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Global warming is simply the biggest problem these days. Thank you.
Today I will tell you about global warming. Global warming is occurs when carbon dioxide, greenhouse gases and other air pollutants collect in the atmosphere. Global warming, the effects of global warming includes far-reaching and long-lasting changes in the natural environment. It also includes the social and economic changes, which is from living in a warmer world. Many physical impacts of global warming are already visible. That includes the weather changes, the time of it changes the timing of seasonal events and retreating glaciers, etc. It can badly affect human health, financial services, tourism, etc. Thank you.
I'm going to tell about global warming. Global warming is the rise in average temperature of the Earth's climate system. It is due to the increase in the production of greenhouse gas that includes carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and methane. Causes of global warming are burning of fossil fuel, deforestation, forest fire which may be artificial or by natural, using electrical appliances, vehicles and industries. Global warming has good and bad effects. Good effects includes the frozen regions such as Arctic and Antarctic regions may experience mild climates. There is decrease in the death rate due to Arctic conditions. Increase in agricultural production in some regions. And the bad effects of global warming are ocean warming, extreme weathers, land desertification, and imbalance of the nature. Prevention of global warming, afforestation, using of CNG rather than petrol and diesels, recycling and switching off the electrical appliance when not in use. Thank you.
Good evening. I am going to discuss on the topic of global warming. Global warming is the gradual increase in the temperature of the earth. Global warming leads to the melting of the glaciers, and it also causes forest fires in the regions. It also affects the human health. Causes of global warming are causes of global warming are of two types: natural causes and man-made causes. Natural causes includes volcanic eruptions, release of gases such as methane, and and man-made causes includes burning of fossil fuels, using of the electricity more oftenly, and deforestation. Prevention to control, solution to control global warming. More often use of public transport and carpooling, using of reusable energy, and planting more trees.